Hurry up.
They sent it back.
I'm so sorry.
It's a shame.
Maybe you didn't put enough postage on it.
It wouldn't surprise me none if all our great writers didn't have their first stories sent back.
Well, now, don't you be discouraged because you got turned down the first time. But you just send that out to another magazine.
No, it's not a turn down.
Then why'd you send it back?
Dear Mr. Walton, we are sorry, but we cannot consider handwritten manuscripts. They didn't even read it.
The nerve of those people.
It's not fair. Then how do they expect you to write it?
Well, on a typewriter, I expect.
Your handwriting was so clear.
Oh, it's not doing me too much good now.
Can you write on a typewriter, John Boy?
I can learn, I reckon. But there isn't one typewriter in all of Jefferson County.
I bet we could find one over in Charlottesville.
Finding one and paying for it is something else again.
John Boy, would you give me a hand with something heavy upstairs?
At a time like this?
Well, to get his mind off his troubles.
Sure, Grandpa.